Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Sandals Regency La Toc. Now this particular category is a honeymoon sanctuary walkout club level junior suite with a Patio Tranquility Soaking Tub. Let me show you what it's all about. As soon as you enter your room, you've got the closet here just to the side. In there, you're gonna find your iron and ironing board, extra pillows and blankets, your safe, you've got a golf umbrella, and the first of those club level amenities, those extra comfy robes. Directly across, you're gonna find the restroom. You've got the toilet tucked away here, and this is where you can see the beautiful renovations that they've done. You have a backlit mirror and another magnifying mirror as well. Underneath, you're gonna have storage for towels, and you have those full-size amenities from the Red Lane Spa. Now, if you wanna see the Red Lane Spa here on site and all the different parts of the resort, make sure you check out our full resort tour. Just through here, you're gonna see you have the shower. What I like about this is I'm a big guy, there's plenty of room to move around. You've got your shower head, nook for those amenities, and then right over here, you have a nice bench seat. Now, as we head into the bedroom, I wanted to talk a little bit more about those club level amenities. So the first one that you're gonna encounter is as soon as you arrive at the resort, you'll bypass the regular check-in, you'll head right over to the Club Sandals Lounge. They'll check you in there, you'll meet your concierges, and you can take advantage of their service throughout the entire stay. They can make reservations, answer questions, they even have board games to loan out to you, and in there you can find a nice little upgraded bar and an espresso maker. Now in the room itself, we already talked about the robes. You see the full-size liquor bottles. That's one of those club level upgrades. You're gonna have a coffee and tea kettle. And then just underneath here, you're gonna have a mini fridge fully stocked with beer, wine, soda, juices, and your favorite mixers. Now as we head into the bedroom area, they have a large king-size bed, one of those signatures of Sandals resorts. And on one side of the bed, you're gonna have a nice writing desk there. You've got a couple US plugs, so it does double as both a nightstand and a writing desk. Now I wanted to point out this little feature. It's kind of a peekaboo through the shower, so of course if you want that extra level of privacy, all you have to do is shut that. Above the bed, you've got a fan, and then directly across, you're gonna have a flat panel TV. It is interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the resort, in addition to watching television. On the other side of the bed, you're gonna have a US plug and a UK plug, and also a Bluetooth speaker. You have a reading chair tucked away in the corner, and then right here, you're gonna find a love seat and a nice coffee table. Now, another one of those great upgraded amenities is you're gonna get room service from early in the morning until later in the evening with this particular category because you're club level. Now, let's head outside. Now we're out on the patio. You've got a table and 2 chairs. Perfect place to take advantage of that in-room dining or a nice cup of coffee in the morning or a cocktail in the evening. Now here you'll see that beautiful Tranquility Soaking Tub, big enough for 2. And if you want that extra level of privacy, you've got these curtains that'll pull shut. Now this particular category I mentioned is a walkout. So you can see you can step right out into the gardens. And the reason people pick this particular category is that it's a bit quieter than some of the other ones. The ones that are facing the pool, you're gonna have that music and things during the day and into the evening. But here you get a little more of that tranquility. Now I mentioned earlier the tour that you can see for this particular resort, but if you want to check out the other 2 resorts here in St. Lucia, we have those tours as well because you can stay at one and play at all 3. We also have the other rooms and suites here on site if you're considering upgrading. Now, when you're ready to book this beautiful category or any at Sandals or Beaches Resorts, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We know the spaces inside and out, and we have an amazing relationship with Sandals and Beaches Resorts, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, group, honeymoon, or wedding party at an incredible value.